Welcome back, food lovers! Today we're diving into the world of premium extra virgin olive oils to help you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Whether you're looking for rich, bold flavors or smooth, delicate textures, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing 3 top-tier EVOOs: Atlas Extra Virgin Olive Oil from Morocco, the Pompeian Smooth EVOO, and the Bertolli Rich Taste EVOO. We'll break down their flavors, health benefits, and best uses so you can choose the right one for your cooking style. So whether you're a gourmet chef, a home cook, or just love great flavors, stick around as we explore these incredible olive oils. Let's get started. Number 1. Looking for the finest extra virgin olive oil that Michelin star chefs trust? Meet Atlas 1 LT Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a premium organic EVOO straight from Morocco's Atlas Mountains. Let's dive into why this could be the best addition to your kitchen. This olive oil comes from a single-family farm in Morocco, benefiting from the unique climate of the Atlas Mountains. The result? Perfectly grown olives that are cold-pressed once for maximum flavor and health benefits. Now, let's talk about taste. This EVOO has a delicate yet complex aroma with hints of almonds, basil, and sweet bananas. The flavor? Smooth, rich, and balanced. Perfect for drizzling over salads, dipping with bread, or even enhancing your favorite recipes. Not only is it 100% organic, but it's also free from additives and chemicals. Packed with polyphenols, this oil is known for its antioxidant properties, promoting heart health and overall wellness. Did you know? 10 Michelin-starred restaurants use this exact olive oil. Its premium quality has made it a favorite among elite chefs, luxury hotels, and gourmet food lovers worldwide. So, if you're looking for a premium, organic, and ethically sourced extra virgin olive oil, Atlas is a must-try. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Number 2. Looking for a mild and versatile extra virgin olive oil for everyday cooking? Meet Pompeian Smooth EVOO, a first cold-pressed, polyphenol-rich olive oil with a delicate taste, perfect for sautéing and stir-frying. Let's see what makes it special. Crafted by the olive oil people, Pompeian's family of farmers ensures the highest quality. Made from first cold-pressed olives, this EVOO retains its purity, richness, and authentic flavor. Plus, it's certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, NAOOA. What makes Pompeian Smooth EVOO stand out? It has a mild, delicate flavor, making it perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, and even drizzling over salads. If you prefer a subtle, non-overpowering taste in your dishes, this is an excellent choice. Pompeian Smooth EVOO is naturally gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher certified, making it a safe and healthy choice for any diet. Plus, it's packed with polyphenols, known for their antioxidant properties and heart health benefits. With a heritage dating back to 1906, Pompeian has built a reputation for quality and authenticity. Whether you're an everyday cook or a food enthusiast, this EVOO is a trusted choice for countless kitchens. For a versatile, smooth, and high-quality extra virgin olive oil, Pompeian Smooth EVOO is a great pick. Grab a bottle today and elevate your cooking. Number 3. Looking for an authentic, full-bodied, extra virgin olive oil with a rich Mediterranean heritage? Meet Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil, cold-pressed, unrefined, and packed with bold, fruity flavor. Let's explore what makes it a kitchen must-have. With over 150 years of expertise, Bertolli has perfected the art of crafting pure, authentic EVOO. Made through cold pressing, this oil retains its natural richness, aroma, and nutrients. No processing, just pure Mediterranean goodness. Bertolli's extra virgin olive oil delivers a bold yet delicate fruity taste, making it perfect for salad dressings, marinades, bread dipping, and pasta dishes. Whether you're finishing a dish or adding depth to a meal, its rich flavor enhances every bite. With a high smoke point of 392 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for light sautéing and baking. Plus, Bertolli's dark glass bottle helps preserve its freshness, ensuring every pour tastes just as rich and flavorful. As the world's leading olive oil brand, Bertolli is trusted by chefs and home cooks alike. Its quality and versatility make it a must-have in any kitchen. If you want a high-quality, flavorful, and authentic extra virgin olive oil, Bertolli is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.